Stock market advice that can benefit you. There is a ton of investing advice online, but how do you know what you can trust and what will trip you up? This video has been contributed to by experts, your peers and other financial gurus, who know what they're talking about. When it comes to financial advice, this is the best place to start. Cultivating the discipline and focus to invest money regularly is a lot easier if you have defined your investment goals. Establish separate accounts for specific goals like college savings and retirement so you can tailor your choice of investment vehicles accordingly. Your state's 529 plan might be a great option for educational investments. An aggressive stock portfolio could be advantageous for a young person with retirement decades away, but a middle-aged person would want to consider less volatile options like bonds or certificates of deposit for at least a portion of retirement savings. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. Purchasing investment management software will really help you out if you are just starting with your investing. It is best to buy one software that will help you manage your money, profits, losses, subscriptions you pay for and stockbrokers you use. You should also buy a second software that you can use to track stocks, fund prices, company news, and any analysis that you perform. Before you invest money in the stock market, it is helpful to give yourself some practice. Choose several companies or funds and note the price and the date. Keep track of these picks and evaluate your reasons for wanting to invest. As you watch the companies over time, you will develop insight into how effective your ability to pick a good stock is developing. Wading through the sea of content online can be enough to drown you, but this video is a life preserver for anyone investing for profit. The simple tips you've read can change your strategy so significantly that you can turn around a losing investment or start investing in something new. Be sure to take what you've learned and go. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.